How many people consider themselves to be poker players? Raise your hand high. Okay, all right, quite a few, I love that. But I would argue that you're all poker players. In fact, you've been playing poker your entire life, even if you've never played a hand of cards. Because this game is about reading other people, it's understanding when to take risk, it's finding the right table for you. And most importantly, it's getting into the mindset of playing to win as opposed to avoid losing. One is a place of power and strength, and the other is a place of fear. So I started my career in corporate America. I spent 15 years in pharmaceutical and beauty advertising and escalating marketing positions. I started getting invited to poker, charity, and networking events. So I walk into this room of 90 men and 5 women, and I say to myself, this is golf all over again, right? Poker is the new golf, really. I am not a professional poker player, but I've seen how the power of poker strategy helped me go from corporate to entrepreneurship. And I'm going to share with you today the tactics and the mindset that you can use to make you communicate, negotiate, and lead better, to be even more successful than you already are and take your seat at any table that you want. Getting in that, being the better mindset, making people pay to play with you, getting really what you want and what you are worth is critical. And what makes this game so interesting is that poker is so much like business. What makes you good at the poker table makes you good in business. It's about reading other people. It's about understanding whether or not you want to put any sort of risk into something. It's being comfortable, being assertive and aggressive when you want to be. Being bold in this game, getting what you want and are worth is the mindset. And in reality, what does that mean? You are betting on yourself. You are betting on you. And I think in this room, that bet would be an amazing bet.